Hello guys, Karorak here with you again, and today I'm in a Honda CR-V, and I'm answering one of the questions that you often ask about this car. What is the D3 button and the D3 light in this Honda CR-V? So you may know that the CR-V with the simple automatic transmission has the 2 and 1 modes. These modes basically tell the transmission to not shift higher than, for example, 1. If you put 1, the transmission will always stay on the first gear. If you put the second mode, it will be in the first, and in the second it will not move higher than the second gear. So the D3 button is introduced to not put another mode here, the 3 mode, let's say. It's just the same. So if you press the D3 button when you're in drive, your transmission will not shift higher than the third gear. In this Honda CR-V, I have the 5-speed automatic transmission. So if I press the D3 button, it will only work in the first 3 gears. This works something like this. So let me start the car. I'm putting it in D, and I'm pressing this button, D3. Look, here you have the D3 light now. If you press the button again, the D3 light comes off. So if you see this D3 light, it means that you pressed this button, and you just need to press it again to release the D3 mode. Now, why would you need this D3 mode? This is a good mode for mountain driving. If you are driving in the mountains, you want to brake with your engine, so you will not want your transmission to go higher than the third gear or maybe the second gear, depending on how steep the incline is. When you're driving on the incline and you are just in the D mode, your transmission will move to the 5th, to the 4th gear, and the car will not brake with the engine almost at all. So you will just move as fast as you can, and you will use your brake pedal to adjust the speed. And if you're driving in the mountains, it's a very bad idea, because you will just destroy the brake pads very quickly. They will overheat and they will be destroyed. So you should use this D3 mode or these 2 modes, depending on how steep the incline is, and your car will be much safer to go in the mountains. This is basically why you need these mods. I hope I answered your questions. So see you in the next videos.